For many of us, it seems impossible to imagine our business and everyday life without technology. And while it has streamlined our processes and expanded our capabilities, technology also leaves us susceptible to potential cyber attacks that can cost our businesses money, materials, and reputation. This is where the importance of cyber liability insurance comes into play. Let's talk about it. Hi there, it's Kim with Barry Insurance. When managing a business, it's important for any owner to implement proper cybersecurity protocols that protect their assets and employees. But when a phishing attempt is able to break through your own secure protection, cyber liability insurance steps in to cover your business. In this video, we will be discussing everything you need to know about cyber insurance, including: what is cyber insurance? What does cyber insurance cover? What is the difference between first-party and third-party cyber insurance? What does cyber insurance not cover? Do I need cyber liability insurance? How much cyber insurance coverage does my business need? How much does cyber insurance cost? Let's get started. What is cyber insurance? Cyber insurance is a specialized liability insurance coverage that covers your business for losses associated with your computer systems and technology. This coverage is separate from your business's general liability insurance and will cover the costs associated with cyber attacks, data breaches, and more. What does cyber insurance cover? Cyber insurance includes coverage for malicious actions made to your business's computer systems, such as phishing attempts, hacking, viruses, denial of service, ransomware, and more. Cyber liability will also cover data loss resulting from freak accidents like power surges, glitches, and even accidental deletions. With cyber liability insurance, your business will be covered for the costs and legal fees incurred from business losses, investigations, lawsuits, and extortion related to data breaches or cyber attacks. On top of coverage for expense recovery, it also assists in providing notifications about security threats and data breaches, recovering compromised data, repairing damaged computer systems and software, consulting on cyber-related issues. What does cyber insurance not cover? Anyone interested in purchasing cyber insurance coverage should be aware that your cyber insurance policy will not pay out if your business does not already take steps to protect your company from cyber attacks. To ensure you receive full cyber coverage, make sure you are implementing the following to protect your business. Have a detailed cybersecurity strategy in place. Use security antivirus software. Train your employees on the importance of cybersecurity and safety. Encrypt your information. Audit your network. Use secure password-protected Wi-Fi. Promote the use of unique employee logins and passwords. Typically, you will need to already have these safety protocols in place to qualify for cyber insurance. Have any remote employees? Check out our guide on the top tips to implement cybersecurity for your remote workers, linked in the description down below. What is the difference between first-party and third-party cyber insurance? Cyber exposures can largely be broken down into first-party and third-party risks, which require their own types of protection for businesses to be fully covered. First-party cyber coverage will cover your business after experiencing losses from cyber attacks or data breaches. This includes the malicious actions we mentioned before, like phishing, hacking, viruses, denial of service, ransomware, malware, and more. Third-party cyber insurance offers additional protection by covering insured businesses if a third party makes a claim against their organization. Third party refers to clients, vendors, partners, stakeholders, employees, and more. As an example, if a business client suffers a loss resulting from the insured having a cyber attack or data breach and files a claim against the company, third-party cyber insurance would provide coverage for associated legal fees.
Or they.
Okay, they're my lawyers.
Third-party insurance can cover the costs of hiring an attorney, government fines, court-ordered damages if found liable, settlement costs, and more. While third-party insurance is important for any business working with or storing sensitive data from their clients, partners, or vendors, not all insurance carriers will offer the coverage alongside first-party. So if you are interested in third-party protection, ask your agent for a policy that will include it. Do I need cyber liability insurance? Businesses of all sizes should consider cyber insurance coverage, as both large corporations and small local businesses can be susceptible to cyber attacks. If your business uses technology to store company or customer information or process payments online, you are vulnerable to cyber attacks and should have cyber insurance. While many business owners assume cyber attacks or data breaches will be covered under their general liability insurance policy, this may not always be the case. Certain losses pertaining to cyber may not receive full coverage from your liability policy and instead require the separate protection offered by cyber insurance. In some cases, individuals may also want to consider having cyber coverage if they could be vulnerable to cyber attacks. This could include public figures, founders of companies, or wealthy individuals that could benefit from cyber coverage. Generally, we wouldn't recommend cyber insurance coverage to small businesses that don't utilize technology to store information or process online payments. Average individuals will also not require the coverage, even if you use credit cards or online banking. This is because your financial providers have their own cybersecurity protection that covers you. How much cyber insurance coverage does my business need? The amount of insurance you'll need for your business will depend on your company's size, industry, revenue, the likelihood of being targeted, and the estimated potential damage if there were to be a cyber attack. Industries who may require more coverage include technology, medicine, finance. Additionally, any companies with large revenue or confidential information held online should consider purchasing more coverage. How much does cyber insurance cost? The cost of cyber insurance coverage will vary significantly depending on the various factors of your business, including but not limited to size, revenue, industry, the amount of coverage you want on your policy. Typically, smaller businesses can expect their annual cyber insurance premium to range anywhere from $500 to $5,000, while larger businesses or corporations can cost tens of thousands of dollars annually. Interested in what insurance carriers we recommend for cyber insurance coverage? Then read our article in the description below on the top cyber insurance carriers in Massachusetts. Cyber attacks can damage not only a company's systems and data, but also their reputation, future sales, and clients' trust. With technology changing and advancing every day, it becomes even more important for you and your team to help safeguard your business cyber security with the proper insurance coverage. Have more questions on cyber insurance coverage or another topic? Then click the link below to our website's Learning Center. We have hundreds of articles and videos covering every area of insurance. Don't see what you're looking for? Then leave us a comment and we'll cover it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and if you found today's video helpful, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel so you never miss out on the very buzz. We post videos like this each week, breaking down the world of insurance for our viewers. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the web.